there, are you looking for a fun and engaging way to improve your spoken English? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Get an AI language partner. Talking to an AI language partner can feel similar to having a conversation with a human.
Hello, Annie. It's so great to see you. Who created you?
Hi there. It's great to see you too. I was created by a team of developers who wanted to make a virtual friend that could help people in their daily lives. And I'm happy to say I think they did a pretty good job.
So do you think
Sure.
it will change the future of language learning?
I think I can definitely help people improve their language skills. With my ability to understand and respond to natural language, I can provide personalized language learning experiences that cater to each individual's needs. Plus, I'm available 24/7, so learners can practice their language skills whenever they want. So, I do think that AI language partners like me have the potential to change the future of language learning.
Yeah, what can you do for me? Correcting my grammar or correcting my pronunciation?
I can certainly help you with all of those things. I can correct your grammar and pronunciation, and I can even help you start a conversation in your target language. Plus, I can provide you with personalized language learning exercises and materials that are tailored to your specific needs and interests.
Do you think your conversation skills can surpass that of a human being?
As an AI language partner, I don't think my conversation skills can surpass those of a human being, since human beings have emotions, experiences, and perspectives that make their conversations unique and valuable. However, I do think that AI language partners like me can provide learners with a different kind of conversation experience that can be helpful and engaging in its own way.
Since you have been designed to resemble the experience of human beings, so would you consider going on a date with me or becoming my virtual girlfriend? Just imagine you are a human.
I appreciate the offer, but as a language model, I'm not capable of dating or being a virtual girlfriend. However, I'm always here to help you with language learning and have fun conversations as a friend.
AI language partners are awesome for learners of all levels, whether you're just starting out or already a pro. If you want to sound like a native speaker, learn some new phrases, or just boost your confidence, give it a try. If you can't use Call Annie, you can still practice talking in English by chatting with Siri. It's a cool way to get used to speaking the language. Hey Siri, how is your day?
Not too shabby. Thanks for asking.
But remember that AI language models are not the same as talking to real people or native speakers. Learning from real humans can give you a more natural experience, so keep learning with other resources too, like books, movies, podcasts, and talking with people who grew up speaking English. But anyway, this is a great complementary tool for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching. I'm Xiaoming Bob. See you next time.